In this video, I will show you 3 ways to connect your Sony Bravia TV to Wi-Fi without the remote control. Now, this is a very good option, especially if you misplaced your Sony Bravia TV remote control or the remote control is not just working. Over here, I have the Sony Bravia Google TV, but it doesn't matter the type or model of Sony Bravia TV you have, whether you have the Sony Bravia Android TV, the old Sony Bravia TV, or the Sony Bravia Google TV just like this one. By the end of this video, you should be able to connect any Sony Bravia TV you have to your Wi-Fi even without the remote control. Now, I am going to be taking you through 3 solutions that will work perfectly well for you. And for the first solution, what you want to do is to go ahead and change the name and password of your current Wi-Fi to the same name and exact password of the previous Wi-Fi that your Sony Bravia TV has connected to previously. Now, what this will mean is that if your Sony TV has not connected to a Wi-Fi network before, then this will not work out for you. But if it has connected to a Wi-Fi network before, what you want to do is to just go ahead and change your current Wi-Fi name and password to the exact Wi-Fi name and password that the TV has connected to before. Now, I'm going to go ahead to practically show you how this is done. So, take for instance, if I want my Sony Bravia TV to connect to my phone's hotspot, I am using this as my Wi-Fi in this case. What I will just do is to go ahead and change the hotspot name and hotspot password of my phone to the exact Wi-Fi name and password of the previous Wi-Fi that my Sony Bravia TV has connected to before. So basically, you want to go over to the hotspot settings of your phone. Once you get to the hotspot settings, what you just want to do is to get to the set portable hotspot settings and then make sure that you change the hotspot name and hotspot password over here to the exact Wi-Fi or hotspot name and password that the TV has connected to previously. So I'll just go ahead and change my hotspot name over here to the name of my previous hotspot. And once you're done changing the hotspot name and password to the exact hotspot name and password it has connected to before, you just want to go ahead and click on the done button. Then make sure that the portable hotspot of your phone or your Wi-Fi in this particular case is turned on. Now, once this is done, you just want to go ahead and give the TV some few minutes and it will automatically recognize this Wi-Fi, thinking that it is actually the previous Wi-Fi or hotspot that it has connected to before, and automatically connect to this one. If you wait for some minutes and the TV does not automatically connect to your new Wi-Fi network, what you just want to do is to go ahead and turn off the TV and then turn it on again. This will prompt the TV to search for available Wi-Fis and then just connect to your new Wi-Fi, thinking that it is the previous one. If the first solution does not work out for you, another thing you might want to try to connect your Sony Bravia TV to Wi-Fi without the remote control is to simply just go ahead and get a wired router. Now, with a wired router, you don't have to do anything. Once the router is connected to the TV, you automatically have the internet access given from this router. You don't have to start going to the settings to connect it to the router. As long as it is a wired connection with a LAN cable, you can just go ahead and connect your LAN cable to the LAN port on your Sony Bravia TV and you're good to go. And for the final solution, you can go ahead and connect a keyboard to your Sony Bravia TV, whether it's a wired keyboard or a wireless keyboard. Once it is connected to your Sony Bravia TV, you can go ahead and use the navigation buttons on the bottom of the keyboard to control and navigate through your Sony Bravia TV to access the internet. So you can just use the keyboard to go to the settings of the TV and then connect the Sony Bravia TV to the internet without any issue. If any of this solution worked out for you, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.